as American citizens. And I think that for us as a country to ignore that level of courage and sacrifice is a real disservice to everybody in uniform, in particular to these men who fought in Mogadishu. One of my strongest satisfactions in writing this book has been to preserve the memory of what happened there and to give these men who fought there some measure of respect and acknowledgement for what they went through.